Passenger transport and cargo in Pakistan is synonymous with Daewoo Express. At the time of its inception in 1997, Daewoo Express was a game changer. Today, be it intercity bus services or urban transport buses, cargo, Daewoo Express serves millions of people across the country on a 24/7 by 365 basis. With such a huge business volume, we get a humongous volume of inbound calls, over 20,000 in a day, and customer service in this regard becomes extremely important because excellent customer service is the differentiating factor for us. For our business, we wanted a solution which could take a high volume of inbound calls, improves response time, and enhances customer experience.
Digitalization and customer satisfaction is the core of all that we do at Jazz Business. We stood up to the task to develop best-in-class solution designed for Daewoo. Understanding how COVID has reshaped business dynamics, we proposed Business Line, a cloud-based call center solution. It allows ease of access from anywhere, anytime, especially while working from their home. Daewoo को हमने एक यूनिक मास्टर नंबर फराहम किया, जिसकी वजह से उनके तमाम कॉल सेंटर एजेंट्स कनेक्ट हो सकते थे अपने मोबाइल फ़ोन के ज़रिए से.
In today's business, passenger experience is of vital importance. We want our passengers to be connected to the internet at all times. Provision of internet to our passengers necessitates the requirement of allocation of data to passengers.
We developed a solution where we bundled hardware with connectivity. Smart IoT routers with Jazz data sinks have been installed in the buses to ensure connectivity on the go.
Jazz's managed Wi-Fi service enables us to allocate data to each passenger. Jazz has been a truly reliable partner which has helped us to take customer experience to the next level. And we look forward to working with Jazz to explore new horizons.
Jazz Business, designed to help you grow.